I started off actually on an access course at the college, had very little qualifications, so I enrolled on an access course to do electrical engineering, but it's just transpired that I've been lucky enough to get onto this programme. Catapulted me forward a lot quicker than I had planned, because I thought I would have had to have done a full apprenticeship before going in doing tickets to go offshore and all that, and this programme has given me the opportunity to do it all whilst it being funded for me. It's been really eye-opening, to say the least. I come from a construction background where it was just like digging holes and never really done nothing. I've done that for like 9 years, so coming into this and it opens your eyes what's out there. This is going to be needed. I think solar energy, wind energy, although we're going into the oil side of it now, it's all going to evolve into greener energy, and engineers are definitely going to be needed. For anybody that was wanting to apply to the course, if you're just leaving school or you're looking to get into engineering, my advice would be just don't wait, just do it. It's the best thing I've ever done. I'll never look back, and if I could look back on myself when I was younger, I'm actually kicking myself now at 26, wishing that I'd done it when I was younger, because I had the brains to do it and never did it. So I just don't wait and just do it.